It's unboxing time with me, myself, and I. So ngayon, dahil ubos na yung aking favorite sunscreen, I decided to buy a new sunscreen na nabudol lang talaga ako sa TikTok shop. Since they say that this sunscreen are really recommended para sa mga oily skin na kagaya ko. So yun, napubudol na rin ako. And this is it, the Centella Hyaluronic Water Fit Sun Serum with SPF 50 plus PA++++, and it cost me 800 pesos para sa dalawang sunscreen. Pero hindi ka na rin naman talo. Dahil this time ay maganda siyang pa-freebie. Yan yung 210 ml na Centella Toner. And this is what I miss dun sa binili ko from Skin 1004 na cleansing oil because I really thought na meron akong toner na free pag binili ko yon. But never mind na lang kasi meron naman silang 3 packs of freebies na binigay. Siguro talagang nag-assume lang talaga ako that time. But now, hindi talaga ako na-disappoint guys because it is 210 ml na toner. Hindi talaga ako tinipid sa freebies ngayon. So, thank you so much, Skin 1004. Pero disclaimer lang guys ha, hindi to PR box. Binili ko to with my own money. And then, beside doon sa my toner, meron ulit tayong 3 packs na mga freebies. One is yung sunscreen na parang skin tint. Then, yung isa is itong Hyaluronic Water Fit Sun Serum na sa pack. At yung isa ay parang serum. So, let's test this new sunscreen na binili ko. So, yung gagamitin natin is yung two-finger method. And yung maganda pa sa product nito is meron siyang parang pump. Very, very hygienic. And there you go. As you can see, it's dripping. Liquidy talaga yung kanyang consistency. Hindi siya yung parang cream type na sunscreen. And I really like this kind of consistency pagdating sa sunscreen kasi hindi ako nag-break out, wala siya masyadong whiteheads and blackheads. And yung maganda pa is yun sa two-finger method is pwede na hanggang leeg, hanggang ears mo. Siyempre, kailangan lagyan mo yung leeg at ears mo para hindi lang maputi yung mukha mo, pero maitim yung leeg mo, parang ganon. And hindi talaga ako na-disappoint guys because you know what? Napaka-lightweight niya sa skin, wala talaga siyang white cast, talagang madali siyang i-blend, tapos madali siyang mag-dry, pero ngayon kailangan ko lang talagang gumamit ng fan kasi nagmamadali ako. So as you can see, maliban nga sa fan na hawak-hawak ko, may electric fan pa kasi nagmamadali talaga ako guys. And it's 12 noon. Masyadong mainit at nagpapawis na ako. But this sunscreen is really lightweight. Hindi siya mabigat sa face. Wala siyang white cast. This is one of my favorite sunscreen. I really recommend it. So bye-bye.